Lieutenant Governor, and I am the Queen's representative at the provincial level. The Governor, who is the Queen's representative at the federal level, appoints a new lieutenant government every 5 years. I have the power to dismiss the government and call a new election at any time. I do not favor any political parties over others, and any laws that are trying to be passed have to be first signed by me, and I always start and end a legislative session.
The Lieutenant Governor always starts a session with the Speech of Thrones. He can also discontinue a session and approves cabinet orders. He also ensures that the province always has a premier who has the confidence of the elected members of the Assembly.